that some of that mistrust can begin to fade. And that's where progress begins. Under the reforms we seek, if you like your doctor, you can keep your doctor. If you like your doctor, you can keep your doctor. If you like your private health insurance plan, you can. That's the reform we seek. We also took unprecedented steps to secure loose nuclear materials, to stop the spread of nuclear weapons, and to seek a world without them. And I won't let up until those who seek jobs can find them, until businesses that seek capital and credit can thrive, and until all responsible homeowners can stay in their homes. The economy we seek is one that's no longer based on maxed out credit cards, wild speculation, and the old cycles of boom or bust, but rather one that is built on a solid foundation, supporting growth that's strong, sustained, and broadly shared by middle-class families across America. That's why our goal with this fee, and with the common sense financial reforms we seek, is not to punish the financial industry. Instead, I ask members of both parties to seek common ground in an effort to solve a problem that's been with us for generations. As Americans and as human beings, we seek not only the security but also the sense of dignity, the sense of community that work confers. This commission will, I hope, help provide those assurances so we can continue to seek a secure energy future for the United States of America. Today, we've made it clear up and down the chain of command that folks should seek help if they need it. On these issues that will determine our success or failure in this new century, I believe it's the fundamental responsibility of all who hold elective office to seek out common ground. Soon, our NATO mission will come to a successful end, even as we continue to support the Libyan people and people across the Arab world who seek a democratic future. They don't seek the limelight. We know business owners don't seek out crumbling roads and bridges and backed up supply chains. We can seek a wiretap on so-called lone wolves, suspected terrorists who may not be directly tied to a terrorist group. With no other disease do we expect people to wait until they're a danger to themselves or others to self-diagnose and seek treatment, to stand up and fight for the change that we seek. We will destroy this barbaric terrorist organization and continue to stand with those around the world who seek a better and safer future.